Hi, I'm Teddy Burriss, your LinkedIn Sales Navigator Strategist. The question is this: how can I see how many followers someone has on LinkedIn? I'm going to show you how to get to that follower information and what you can and can't do with it in this video. But before I do, hit the subscribe and notify button. I create all this content for you. So we're on my LinkedIn profile, and I'll show you from my profile as I look at it. This will be different than the way you look at it a little bit. But here's my number of followers, 22,618. Now, if I click on that, it'll take me to my follower list. And I can actually see all the followers, and I can see them in order in which they showed up. This is the last follower. This lady happened a little while ago. This happened yesterday. So these are my followers again in order by the most recent. However, there's another place to see followers, and if I go down to my activity down here, here's the activity. If I hit see all activity, I see the number right there, but if I hit see all activity, you can see the number right there, 22,618 followers. Now that's my presentation of what I see. But let me go look at somebody else. Give me a second. Here's my friend Kristen Dokas. Now, a little bit different. She's using creator mode. This right here indicates she's using creator mode. And the fact that her followers are right here also indicates she's using creator mode. But look, there's no hyperlink there. There is a hyperlink on her connections, and that's because we are first level, and as she is sharing her connections for anybody she's connected with to be able to see those connections. But can't see her followers. I can only see that she has 1977. Come down here a little further. Here's her activity page. There's that number again. And if I go to see all activity, again, here's all activity, and there's the number again. But again, it's not a hyperlink, which means I can't see who her followers are. One more important piece of information about followers. Typically, by default, a connection is also a follower. And for even more than that, if you're using creator mode, the moment someone sends you an invite, they automatically are following you, even if you don't connect with them. However, for most people, their number of followers is very close to their number of LinkedIn connections. Not everybody, but most people. For me, I pay attention to individuals who have a large followers because it typically means in their environment and based on their expertise and knowledge, if they have a large following, that generally means that there's a lot of people out there who believe this person is pretty intelligent, giving, and knowledgeable in their space. I'm Teddy, your LinkedIn and Sales Navigator strategist, trainer, and coach. I hope this is helpful for you.